This is a Systema PTW, and this is how it looks with the MagPul PMAG. I'll show you one of my converted mags and some of its features. As you can see, this starts out as a genuine 30 round PMAG, but after the conversion, this magazine will only work in the Systema PTW. The tools that are used for the conversion are the hacksaw, Dremel, various grades of sandpaper, all the way from coarse and on down to the finishing sandpaper, which gives a nice edge to the top of the magazine. And then finally standard metal file, which is used to create some of the notches in the magazine and also helps to sand down and fine-tune some of the notches on the magazine. The first step is to cut off the top lip of the magazine, as you can see here in MagPul's illustration of their magazine. So basically a hacksaw is used and cuts the lip off, and then using the different grades of sandpaper, the magazine needs to be ground down to the appropriate height so it properly fits in the mag well. The next step is to create a cutout in the back of the magazine so this lever can properly engage the bolt catch to disable the firing once the magazine is emptied. The cutout is made primarily by the Dremel and is finished off by using the file. So once that is done, the next step is to add this nice little feature at the front of the magazine, and this cutout is put there so that if you do want to use the Systema BB loader that has the red tip, then that notch allows the BB loader to fit properly on top of the magazine so that you can load the BBs using this. The next cut is made for this time for the magazine catch, and as you can see here, this has a nice slope to it, so the magazine will slide past the catch pretty easily. So you can see here, once the modifications have been made to the PMAG, how seamlessly it integrates into the Systema gun. So the mag loads very easily without hardly any effort, and then also drops quite freely. And you can see everything works as it should. The final cuts are made on either side of the magazine, and this is actually probably one of the toughest parts to do and to get just right. And those cuts are made to accommodate the Systema mag internal, the dust covers. So we're close to being done here. The only thing that needs to be done now is the mag internal needs to be removed by simply punching out these two little guys here and then pulling the internal out of the magazine. And then once it's pulled out, there's a couple steps that need to be done to the magazine internal itself. The first is down here at the bottom on a untouched internal mag. There's actually going to be a rounded nub here. This one has been sanded down, as you can see here, and this is what it needs to be sanded down to so that it can properly fit within the PMAG. So we'll slide the mag internal inside the PMAG shell, and it's a nice tight fit. This particular internal mag has been used. It's my test mag, so it's been worn in, so it slides in a little bit more easily than a brand new mag internal. Before I get it in the rest of the way, I'm going to snug it up even more on the bottom by putting in this piece of foam. This gives it a nice snug fit, and then I'll push it in the rest of the way to right where it needs to be, just right about at the bottom. And it's ready for loading BBs. So you can see that little notch at the front of the mag enables the BB loader to be placed right on top. So now it's ready for action.